Form deep. What's that say, about 11 o'clock?
Maybe.
They're noisy, aren't they?
Yep. Tree scoots. There's an old coot right there.
One in front of us?
Oh, one.
To the left
Oh, it's just my reflection. There's a pied-billed grebe. To our left there. A pied-billed grebe. Yeah, you're paddling. Paddle towards that buoy. Keep focused on it. Correct. Yeah. That's it. You're kayaking.
Man, I'd never get to...
Well, it gets, I swear, it'll become natural after a while. You don't even think about it. You just... After a while, it becomes second nature. It's like walking. Give a good couple strokes on that side until the boat starts turning. And then stop and let it just drift until you get lined up, and then start paddling the other side. Right about now. And you learn to time it after a while. And just keep focused on the point you want to aim to.
Myself back to shore eventually. It'd sure be a slow...
About a half an hour you get the hang of it.
That's how long it's going to take me to get to shore?
No, to get the paddling down. Almost there.